Picture this. It's 2:14 a.m. You slowly open your eyes, confused, disoriented, and then it hits you. The bathroom is calling. Again, you shuffle through the darkness, one hand on the wall for balance. By the time you're back in bed, you've lost your rhythm. Your mind is awake, your body is tired, and restful sleep? Forget it. This is the nightly battle millions of seniors face, and it's called nocturia, or frequent nighttime urination. What most people don't realize is that it's not just an inconvenience. It can lead to serious health issues like poor sleep, daytime fatigue, balance issues, and even falls. But here's the part that surprises everyone. Something as simple as eating the right nuts during the day can significantly reduce those nightly bathroom trips. That's right. Nature has packed certain nuts with minerals, healthy fats, and compounds that calm the bladder, balance blood sugar, and relax the body. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more senior-focused health and wellness tips, and don't forget to drop a comment below. How old are you, and how often do you get up to pee at night? Now, let's get into it. Today we'll reveal the 7 best nuts seniors should eat regularly to fight back against nighttime urination, support kidney and bladder health, and reclaim deep, uninterrupted sleep. Number 1. Almonds. The bladder's best friend. You've probably heard that almonds are great for heart health, but did you know they're also powerful for the bladder? Almonds are rich in magnesium, which helps relax bladder muscles and improve urine retention. Magnesium deficiency is actually linked to overactive bladder symptoms in older adults. They also provide vitamin E, which helps reduce inflammation in the urinary tract, healthy fats that keep your hormones balanced, protein and fiber, which stabilize blood sugar, a key factor in nighttime urination. How to eat them. Try soaking 6 to 10 raw almonds overnight and eating them in the morning or as a midday snack. Soaking helps with digestion and nutrient absorption. Number 2. Pistachios. Tiny nuts, big sleep impact. Pistachios aren't just tasty. They're one of the few nuts that naturally contain melatonin, the hormone your brain releases to help you fall and stay asleep. Melatonin supplements are popular with seniors struggling with sleep, but pistachios offer it in natural food form. These green gems also contain potassium, which supports kidney function, vitamin B6, which helps your body make serotonin and melatonin, healthy fiber, aiding digestion and reducing nighttime bloating and pressure on the bladder. How to eat them. Enjoy a small handful, unsalted, an hour before bed. It's a tasty, satisfying way to prepare your body for rest. Number 3. Walnuts, the sleep and brain booster. Walnuts look like little brains, and it turns out they're amazing for both the brain and sleep quality. These omega-3 rich nuts also support bladder function and reduce inflammation throughout the urinary system. Chronic inflammation is often the silent trigger behind bladder irritability. Walnuts are a source of ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, an anti-inflammatory omega-3. Melatonin, like pistachios, which improves sleep cycles. Magnesium and potassium, which help calm bladder spasms. They also help reduce stress and anxiety, 2 major contributors to overactive bladder and poor sleep. How to eat them. Add chopped walnuts to oatmeal, yogurt, or a bedtime fruit bowl. Just 4 to 5 walnut halves can be enough. Number 4. Brazil nuts, the kidney protectors. If you've never tried Brazil nuts, it's time to start, especially if you're over 60. Just 1 to 2 Brazil nuts a day gives your body all the selenium it needs. This powerful mineral is essential for kidney health, immune support, and bladder regulation. Low selenium levels have been linked to poor bladder control and even kidney damage in aging adults. These large nuts also help with hormone balance, especially for the thyroid, reducing oxidative stress in the urinary tract, enhancing bladder wall strength. How to eat them. Stick to just 1-2 per day. They're very high in selenium, and that small amount is more than enough. Number 5. Hazelnuts, the hormone balancer. Hormonal shifts in men and women after age 60, like drops in estrogen or testosterone, can weaken bladder control and cause nocturia. Hazelnuts are a rich source of healthy fats, magnesium, and vitamin B6, all of which support hormone balance naturally. They also contain ellagic acid, a compound that reduces inflammation and supports detoxification. Manganese, which helps with collagen production, important for urinary tract tissue strength. How to eat them. Toast hazelnuts and add to salads, trail mix, or blend into a bedtime smoothie. Number 6. Pecans, the blood sugar stabilizer. Did you know that blood sugar imbalances, even mild ones, can make you pee more at night? That's because when blood sugar is high, your kidneys work harder to filter out the excess glucose, leading to increased urination. Pecans help regulate blood sugar thanks to their low glycemic load, healthy monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, including vitamin E and flavonoids. And because they're filling, pecans also help prevent late-night snacking, which can worsen bladder issues. How to eat them. Enjoy 6 to 8 pecan halves as a post-dinner treat, or add to oatmeal or yogurt. Number 7. Macadamia nuts, the soothing supernut. Macadamia nuts are creamy, rich, and deeply satisfying, but they also come with powerful benefits for urinary and kidney health. They're low in oxalates, making them ideal for seniors at risk of kidney stones. They contain palmitoleic acid, a rare omega-7 that supports cell repair, magnesium and manganese, both important for bladder control, anti-inflammatory compounds, reducing irritation in the bladder lining. How to eat them. A small handful, 5 to 6 nuts, is enough. They're calorie-dense, so savor them slowly. Smart tips for seniors, eating nuts the right way. Before you run to the pantry, here are a few important tips. Watch portion sizes. Nuts are healthy but calorie-dense. Stick to a small handful per day, around 1 ounce. Choose unsalted, unroasted varieties. Salt can worsen water retention and high blood pressure. Dry roasted or raw is best. Chew slowly and mindfully. This improves digestion and nutrient absorption, important for seniors with slower metabolisms. Soak hard nuts like almonds. Soaking makes them easier on older digestive systems and reduces natural compounds like phytic acid. Other nighttime urination fixes that work with these nuts. To get the most out of your new nut habit, combine them with these bladder-friendly habits. Limit liquids 2 hours before bed. Empty your bladder before sleep, twice. Avoid caffeine and alcohol after 5 p.m. Elevate your legs for 30 minutes before bed. Helps redistribute fluids. Walk daily to keep your lymphatic system and kidneys working efficiently. Avoid these nuts after 60. They might be the reason you're waking up to pee at night. Not all nuts are created equal. For years, we've heard it. Nuts are healthy. Nuts are heart-friendly. Nuts are perfect snacks for seniors. But what if I told you that some nuts could be silently disturbing your sleep, especially if you're waking up multiple times each night to go to the bathroom? That's right. While certain nuts are great for seniors, others contain hidden triggers that can irritate the bladder, spike blood sugar, or increase fluid retention. All of this can lead to a frustrating condition known as nocturia, the need to urinate 1 or more times during the night. This isn't just an inconvenience, it affects energy, memory, balance, and even your mood the next day. Let's dive into the truth behind which nuts seniors over 60 should avoid, especially in the afternoon and evening hours if they want better bladder control and deeper sleep. 1. Salted mixed nuts, the sneaky sodium trap. It's tempting. That familiar can of mixed nuts, cashews, almonds, peanuts, and pecans, coated with just enough salt to make you crave one handful after another. But here's the catch. Salt is a major trigger for nighttime urination. When you eat high-sodium snacks like salted nuts, your body holds onto more water during the day. Then at night, when you lie down, that fluid redistributes. Your kidneys suddenly go into overdrive, trying to flush the excess out. Result, you wake up with a full bladder. Excess sodium also raises blood pressure, which is already a concern for many seniors. What to avoid? Any canned or packaged nuts labeled salted, lightly salted, roasted and salted, or flavored. A better option, choose raw or dry roasted unsalted nuts. If you want flavor, sprinkle them with cinnamon or a tiny pinch of turmeric. 2. Peanuts. Common but commonly irritating. Peanuts are technically legumes, not true nuts, but they're often lumped in the same category. While some people tolerate peanuts well, many seniors find that peanuts cause digestive discomfort, gas, bloating, and bladder pressure, especially in the evening. Here's why peanuts can be problematic. They're high in oxalates, compounds that may increase the risk of kidney stones in sensitive individuals. Peanuts often contain mold residues, especially aflatoxins, which can burden the kidneys. Many peanut butters contain added sugar and salt, which worsen urinary symptoms. What to avoid? Peanut butter with added sugars or hydrogenated oils, honey-roasted peanuts, or heavily processed peanut snacks. A better option, if you love peanuts, try small amounts earlier in the day and observe your body's reaction. Otherwise, swap them for walnuts or almonds. 3. Cashews. Delicious but high in carbs. Cashews are buttery and satisfying, but they also have the highest carbohydrate content among common nuts. Why does this matter? Because eating too many carbs in the evening can spike your blood sugar, and high blood sugar leads to increased thirst, more frequent urination, extra strain on your kidneys overnight. In fact, seniors with prediabetes or insulin resistance often notice that late-night carb-rich snacks like cashews or granola bars cause multiple bathroom trips through the night. What to avoid? Large portions of cashews at night, especially if you're sedentary during the day. A better option, if you love the taste of cashews, limit yourself to 4 to 5 in the early afternoon and balance it with protein or fiber. Number 4. Flavored or candied nuts. Sugar bombs in disguise. You've seen them. Maple glazed pecans, cinnamon sugar almonds, honey roasted peanuts. They may sound natural, but these nuts are loaded with refined sugars, which are one of the worst culprits behind nighttime urination. Here's how sugar sabotages your bladder. Sugar increases urine production by drawing water from your tissues. It causes bladder inflammation. It feeds harmful bacteria in the urinary tract, increasing the risk of infections and urgency. For seniors especially, high sugar intake before bed can trigger restless sleep, increased urination, and even leg cramps. What to avoid? Any sweetened or dessert-style nut mix, especially in trail mixes, holiday blends, or snack bags. A better option, if you want something sweet, eat a few pistachios with a couple of fresh dates or a slice of banana. 5. Macadamia nuts in excess. Watch the fat load. Macadamia nuts are buttery and full of healthy fats, but they're also extremely calorie-dense. While they're not harmful in small amounts, eating too many macadamias late in the day can slow digestion, cause mild bloating, and put pressure on the bladder when you lie down. Also, for some seniors with slower metabolism or gallbladder issues, high-fat snacks before bed can interfere with sleep. What to avoid? Eating more than 6 to 8 macadamia nuts after dinner or combining them with other high-fat foods like cheese or avocado at night. A better option, enjoy macadamias in the morning or midday when your digestive system is more active. 6. Nuts with added preservatives or oils. Some packaged nuts are treated with vegetable oils like soybean or canola, or preservatives such as BHT or TBHQ. These can irritate the digestive tract and bladder lining, especially in sensitive seniors. The oils used in low-cost nut processing are often inflammatory, meaning they may worsen bladder overactivity, prostate inflammation in men, interstitial cystitis in women. What to avoid? Any nut that lists vegetable oil, canola oil, corn syrup, or artificial flavors on the label. A better option, choose single-ingredient nuts. Organic or dry-roasted nuts without additives are safest. 7. large nut portions, late in the day. Here's something many people overlook. Even healthy nuts can be problematic if eaten too late or in large amounts. Large evening snacks can put pressure on your digestive system, stimulate kidneys when they should be winding down, trigger reflux or gas, which can irritate the bladder. Nuts are slow to digest. If you snack on them at 9 or 10 p.m., your body is still working on them when you're trying to sleep. What to avoid? Big bowls of nuts or trail mix after dinner. A better option, if you must snack, have a small portion, like 5 pistachios or 3 walnuts, 1 to 2 hours before bedtime, and always chew thoroughly. Eat smart, sleep better. The key message? Nuts can be both a medicine and a mistake, depending on how, when, and which ones you eat. For seniors struggling with nighttime urination, these simple shifts can help you wake up feeling rested and restored. Limit salted, sweetened, or processed nuts. Choose lower oxalate, bladder-soothing varieties. Avoid eating heavy nuts too close to bedtime. Watch portion size and drink water earlier in the day, not late at night. Your bladder will thank you, and you'll finally enjoy the long, peaceful nights you deserve. Reclaiming your rest starts on your plate. Many seniors believe frequent nighttime urination is just a normal part of aging, but it's not. In many cases, it's a sign your body needs help, from better mineral balance, improved sleep regulation, or simply the right nutrients. And the good news? The solution can be as simple and enjoyable as adding a few of these powerful nuts to your daily routine. No prescriptions, no side effects, just delicious, real food working with your body, not against it. So next time you reach for a snack, grab a handful of almonds, pistachios, or walnuts instead of crackers or cookies. Your kidneys will thank you, your bladder will rest, and finally, you'll sleep through the night like you used to. If you learned something new today, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss another senior-friendly health tip. And don't forget to comment below. What are your favorite nuts? And how do they make you feel after eating them? Your experience can help someone else. Thank you for joining me. Take care and remember to take each bite with kindness. See you in the next video.